Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites, shortcuts enabled and permissions granted so automations run reliably. Once done, open Shortcuts and tap Automation to create a new personal automation. Choose a trigger like time of day, location, or app, then pick Run Shortcut as the action. Make sure the shortcut itself has actions chained logically. Test it manually now. This first step gets the flow in place and avoids permission failures later, so you don't waste time debugging basic access. Next, focus on the middle configuration where accuracy matters. You choose precise trigger parameters, exact time, arrival region, or a device event, then assemble actions in order, using variables and if/otherwise to handle conditions. Insert wait, repeat, or get contents actions for complex flows. Make sure to disable ask before running if you want hands-free execution, otherwise you'll get prompts. Test each branch separately to confirm outputs, because this reduces surprises when the automation. Finish by running the entire automation end-to-end and observing results. You should inspect any notifications, logs, or intermediate outputs and confirm each action completed. If something fails, check permissions first, then verify trigger conditions and variable values. Small mismatches cause silent failures. Once you've adjusted, retest. If problems persist, toggle the automation off and on to reset internal state or reboot the device. That often resolves stuck background services. Finally, save a stable backup shortcut so.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.